Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I start Christmas decorating. It's not fully there. I still have to get some stuff for the house. We just moved in again to this apartment, so I just got a couple things at the dollar store at Target, and I just wanted to show you guys what I got. The placemats that I bought for the table, I did get them at Walmart. And I will be listing the products that I use to clean in this video. It's kind of like a Christmas get ready house and a little bit of cleaning as well. So I hope you guys enjoy. I will be talking also throughout the video a little bit about the stuff that I bought and how much they cost. So yeah. You know, I did end up taking away the white cloth just because it got dirty very fast and it kept slipping. I think because my table is made out of wood and it just kept slipping all the time, so I just took it off and just left the placemats on their own on the table. This is something I think I got this at Marshall's, I'm gonna say. So, and I got this little trees at Target for I think $3. So I just put them inside and added some lights to it. But I think what I'm gonna do is take out the trees and put them by the window and just leave the lights inside. So that way at night, the glass will be lighting up against the trees because it has Christmas trees on it anyways. So I just think it will look better that way. So I got these, this one I got at Target, so I think I'm going to hang them up along the house and some of them on the entryway. But this one says "Let It Snow" on it, let it snow. I got this for $3 at Safeway, at Target. And then I also got this one that says "Let It Snow," and I think I got this one at the dollar store. It has like a wooden finish in the back and it has some snowflakes. And I'm sorry for the lighting. I know that in my videos the lighting's pretty bad, but I mean, I'm brand new to YouTube and I'm still adjusting to the light. But this one I also got at the dollar store. It says "Let It Snow," sledding, building a snowman, snowball fight, drinking hot cocoa, sitting by the fire in winter wonderland. So I really like these and they were only $1. And I also got this one at the dollar store. It says have a holly jolly Christmas, and I really like the decoration. It's really old school vibe. And then I got this sled. It's like a chalkboard sled. I got this at Target, and I do have the chalk pen, so I might put something like Santa's family on it. And then I was thinking of doing a wreath, but I think I like this hanging on the door. I think I'm gonna put Merry Christmas or something on it, or Welcome to Santa's Family Christmas or something like that on it. And I'm gonna do that right now. So let's get started. So I put the "Let It Snow" here on the entry. This is my door right here. And then I also put the "Have a Holly Jolly Christmas." I just felt like the colors match. The other one, the white one that had the silver and the "Let It Snow," I don't feel like it matched this one, and I really wanted this one in the entryway. So I think that one goes a lot better with that. But let me know, guys, what you guys think in the description box. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. But I like them there. They're not too bad, I think. Let's move on to the next ones. So again, I hanged up the Let It Snow sign, the one with the silver and the white backdrop. I put it right where I have the table, so like right here, and then I put it over there. I don't know where to put it, honestly. I don't, because we just moved in, I don't know exactly what I want to do, but I'm going to put that one there, and then the other one that I got is this Let Us Know sledding, built-in snowman, and that one, I think that one I am going to put somewhere in the hallway in between each of the rooms, or somewhere in the living room, but I'm not sure where I'm going to put it yet. So yeah. I really don't know what else to add to right here to this dresser that we have in the living room. I was thinking of putting a runner in it, like a Christmas runner, but I'm not really sure. If you guys have any ideas, please leave it in the comments below. What you guys think I should put on there, that'll be great. So I'm just going to show you guys how I tied it up after I've kind of put everything up, everything that I wanted to put up for the moment, and I just tie everything up and put everything away from Thanksgiving, where the Thanksgiving things go, and yeah. So this is how I decorated my room. Again, I got the little pillows at a thrift store for 50 cents, and I think that was a bargain. And the lights, I got them, I believe, at Target for $3. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like making this type of videos for you guys. I think this is more my style. I think it fits my lifestyle in general. So let me know how you guys decorate for Christmas, how you guys are starting to decorate for Christmas. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe or hit the like button if you like these videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!